with mother tongue. Pananglitan. So, for color, color. So, ang example of color is puti. Itong puti is,
White.
itong is,
Black.
pula is,
I don't know what's pula.
red. Dalag is yellow.
Yellow.
Nak, you ipares ang mahulagmay sa column A ngadto sa column B. Here you draw a line. You connect. So this
I
one,
need a
what?
pencil.
Okay. This one, what is that? Color.
Color. What's dalag?
Dalag, yellow.
What's lunha?
Green.
What's dalag?
Dalag.
Yellow.
Ube.
Ubi is blue. Thank you.
Violet. Violet. Pula.
Hola. Thank you.
Kahil is orange. Okay, good job. Section, basaha ang mga hugpulong. Linyahe ang pulong nga naghulagway sa color. You line what describes the color and round that describes the size. Okay. What is pula? Is it color?
Red.
Okay, so you line.
What's light?
Line the colors and circle the describes the size.
Okay. What's this?
Pula ang mga bulak sa hardin. Okay. Gamay. What is gamay? Is it a size or a color? Gamay is a size or a color?
Wait, do I circle?
The circle is if it describes the size. So
Okay.
gamay describes what size or color?
Do I circle?
No, circle of size. Okay, lunhaw.
What's lunha?
Lunhaw is green. Ang mga dahon. Lunhaw. Green ang mga dahon. Okay, dako. Ang mga, what is dako? Is it size or color size? Kahil, orange. Good job. Okay. You write if what is that underlined. It describes color, gidakon, the size, forma, form, grano, texture, temperatura, temperature, or pagbati, feelings. Rectangulo. What's it? What it is? What is it?
Rectangular.
Color, forma. Is it a form?
Form.
Shape? Okay, forma. You
Form.
write. Very-
Which one's form?
Number 1. Diri, right? Bitangi lang. I will put lines on it, ha? I'll put lines on it. It's easy for you.
Forma.
1.
One.
This one. Forma.
Tabunon. What's tabunon?
Brown.
Brown?
Is it color?
Round? What's a
Brown.
round?
Brown. Is it color?
Color.
Okay, you write color. It is bugnaw. What is bugnaw? Is it temperature, color, size, forma, form?
What number are we for?
Number 4. So it is it temperature?
Temperature.
Okay, temperature. M R A. Wala pa sa mga. O sige A. Sige A. T U. So there are words that describe. So our lesson is words that describe. Okay? Words that to describe is called pungway. Follow me? Pungway.
Pumay.
Okay. Yes.
X.
Okay. Maglakaw sa gawas sa balay kung wala pa yung mga sakyanan. You pass the street when there's still no vehicles. Okay, good job. Mulayat sa koral sa eskwelahan. You will jump over the fence of the school. Okay. Mukamang sa mga lamisa sa classroom. You will crawl under the tables in the classroom. Musayaw sa gibarugan panahon nga naglinya. Fast. This is fast. Hinay, slow. So you write the animals inside, which is fast and slow. Kabayo, it's a horse.
Kabayo.
Is it fast or slow?
It's fast.
Dili, you write inside the word kabayo.
Sorry.
Baboy, does it move fast, or hinay, slow? Baka, what is a baka?
Baka, what's a baka?
Cow.
Cow.
Mm.
Do they move and they're so fat? Can they even run?
No, they're hinay. It is,
How do
or
it
a
now?
flat. So is it this one?
Pretty.
Okay.
Is
If it's a flat picture like this, what is it?
that a picture?
Yeah.
Like, let me see. Today?
Mm-hmm. Like that. It's also a picture.
Today.
Is it a picture? Oh, yeah, picture. This one is a sculpture. Ano mga sculpture is 3D.
Like you make. Oh, Mona Lisa!
Mona Lisa.
Why is Mona Lisa here?
Yeah, but Mona Lisa is a painting. So, what is it? Mona Lisa is 2D or 3D?
Today?
Mona
Today,
Li-
today.
Oh, okay.
Nana, I love the Mona Lisa here.
Mm.
Why did Mom Lovely like to put this?
Sige, answer na lang Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa's 3D?
2D.
Oh,
Okay.
3D.
Mhm.
Look at three sides.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I like this drawing.
Drawing, what is it?
Today,
Mm-hmm. A toy.
a toy.
Mm-hmm.
3D.
Mm-hmm.
Because we have toys here.
Mm-hmm. That's another drawing. What is it?
I like this one. It's have pretty eyes.
Mm.
Is that a baby toy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know there's baby toys in China?
Oh, sige, dagan sa China. Hindi na mahaptantanan dito sa China.
3D. We could see a 3D.
That one is also a sculpture.
Wow. Is that a golden sculpture?
That's si Rizal na golden sculpture.
Wow, that's a painting.
Painting, yeah. That's a picture.
There's a picture?
Mm.
Oh, who did? They drew that?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Papers.
2D.
Papers? You can touch the paper.
2D. 2D.
Mm.
This is the last, and then we go to drawing.
Yeah, that's it. You're in drawing now. Then you write names, then you're in drawing. Okay? You just finish the names, then you can draw. Okay?
Where's
And
the
last one for
names?
tomorrow. The
Where's the
names. Here. You
Thank
you write the name,
Pangalan.
section again.
Nanay,
Grade
can
one
we
na
not
lang.
do the section?
Oh, name. Okay, name.
Just name.